another tune that I'm working on at the moment, which will get it'll get a meaningful title eventually, but at the moment it's called Cush Game, so like a footstep. This is just what I imagined when I was making it, but I hope you like it anyway. And doing all this new material is good because it gives me a kind of a get-out clause. If I come down off the stage in a minute and you say, Neil, that was shocking, I can say, ah yes, but it's not finished yet, you see. So. That could have been a dodgy card there, but that was alright.